What's going on, everybody? It's Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another weekend market analysis. I'm not gonna lie, this past week was super rough. Uh, I, what can I say? I think what I can call it is I went on tilt in some regard. I went on tilt. I was suspectable. Yeah, I was just uh susceptible to normal trading errors, or uh I wasn't acting in my best interest. My emotions were not acting in my best interest, and I noticed it. I didn't follow my plan. uh I didn't follow my plan. I broke my rules. I was just so confused. uh I was just not patient, and yeah, this week was a rough week, but a character building week. I just went on tilt. I didn't journal my trades. I didn't take screenshots. I was just entering and exiting trades, but from a confused perspective. So yeah, it was a tough week, but yeah, we move on. I'm currently 7% down on my. Uh, I'm currently 7% down on my 100K account that I'm trading my prop from account, which is not good. But as long as I'm still alive, I can still come up, I can still make it. That's the most important thing. Going on tilt, it happens as a trader. It's part of the business, it's part of the industry, but the most important thing is to identify your tilt, correct it, and keep moving forward. So this weekend I was back testing just to give myself confidence in my strategy. And yeah, I'm back to it. I don't want to do this video, but I said at the beginning of the year that every single weekend I'm gonna do a video, so and I'm just back again. I can't forward, I can't go back, I can't take steps backwards. With that being said, let's just see what the markets are presenting going into this coming new week. Let's see what happened last week, and let's just see what we can predict or what we can see if we can have any opportunities coming up. So still, again, this is the DXY. I think for the past couple of weeks, we've been wanting the DXY to come up into this zone, into this order block, and then continue selling off. That's our bias on the DXY. We're bearish on the DXY. Why are we bearish on the DXY? For this reason, if you start looking at the monthly, like I said, I like to trade from trend line to trend line. So the last touch of the trend line was there, and I'm expecting the market to come down into here, come down into this low here. So that's why I'm bearish on the DXY, just purely off that the the structure of this channel on the monthly that we need to come down. But going to the weekly, we've been in this descending channel. We are currently in this order block, and as well a supporting factor. There's this downward trending channel. So yeah, if I go to the daily, which is the last time frame I use for the DXY, anything below the daily, you see too much noise on the DXY. That's what I've noticed from my experience. So I don't pass the daily now when it comes to the DXY. So I'm still expecting the DXY to hit this order block and reverse down, and we can continue short on the DXY and bullish on gold. So for now, that's my view on the DXY. If you go into gold, uh, so from gold, this is what's happening. We have this previous swing low on the daily. This is our higher low, and then this is our higher high. Then we have this low that's sitting here. Yeah, we have this low here. So currently, gold is clearly in an uptrend, right? We're clearly in an uptrend, but right now we are experiencing a pullback. We're experiencing a pullback or a correction. Uh, I will only consider the DX gold to not be in an uptrend once it crosses this level, right? But anything above this level, we're still in an uptrend and we're experiencing a pullback. Let's go into the H4 and see what we have. Uh, don't mind the noise. I was just doing a lot of back testing this weekend. So from what I'm seeing here, I have this point of interest here, this buy zone where the market previously turned. And this is a buy zone for me where I have this order block. Here's my order block. So I'm still expecting gold to come down into this buy zone, and then we can now expect the buys. We now expect to start moving upwards. Uh, from what I'm seeing here, current market price, if gold starts to push up and breaks this level, now we can look for buys going to the upside. But for now, we're just waiting. So on gold right now, I'm just waiting. I don't want to be involved in this market here. Last week I did predict that the market would come into this uh, hidden base, drop off. Now we are continuing the trend. So this coming week is NFP week. There's NFP and FOMC in the same week. So I'm just going to take the week off. I'm not going to trade gold. I'm just going to observe gold and see what happens. Hopefully, we have enough volatility, sorry. We have enough volatility to drop into here, and then we can start seeing that upwards movement. So, uh, for those that are looking to trade, this is not financial advice or anything, but according to what I'm seeing here, gold should continue down and then give us a reversal pattern down here, and then we can start seeing bullish intent. Uh, one of the reasons why I was experiencing, tilt this past week is because I was trying to catch a falling knife. I've been trying to catch the buys for gold and ignoring what's going on. Even though I did predict that it was gonna sell, I don't know why I dived into the H1 market structure and then I saw reversals and I was trying to buy, but it was just all wrong. Everything was just all wrong. So for now, when it comes to gold, I'm just sticking to H4 market structure. And then my normal entries are my drop-based drop and my flag patterns. I'll look for those entries. So for now, I just want to be not involved in this market until we are having those buys. I'm just going to be patient. Hopefully, this week with the volatility that we have, we can maybe reverse on NFP. So next week, Friday, the market might come into here, and then we start seeing those major reversals in line with the DXY, because the DXY still needs to, yeah, DXY, as you can see, it still needs to slightly push up into that zone. So gold can also still slightly push down into our buy zone, and then the following week we can probably start having some entries. You can probably start having some entries on gold. So I've also been backtesting German 30, which is an index, German 30. I've been backtesting and seeing if my strategy or my entry triggers work. So that's my drop-based drop, my order blocks, my bearish and bullish flag patterns on German 30, because I realized that trading one pair, sometimes uh, you need to diversify your portfolio. And like for now, once I'm waiting for gold buys. So whilst I'm waiting for gold buys, I can be involved in my other portfolio asset, which is German 30. So if I go into German 30, I'm just gonna do a quick review on German 30. We're just gonna start on the monthly, and I'm just gonna break everything down. As you can see, I was doing some back testing. So like I always say, I like to trade from trend line to trend line, so you can kind of see the movement. It's not as clean, it's an index, it's always going to be going up. So right now we're in this uptrend and we're looking to maybe come into here, do a movement like that. So on German 30, if you look, we're currently in this push phase. We're currently in this uptrend and we're looking to touch here. Remember, this is a monthly chart, so we're looking to come into this trend line up here. So maybe that could be 1 month or 2 months of bullish movement. If we go into the weekly, you can clearly see that we had a push, retracement. Now we are currently in a push phase. That's clear to see. If we go down to a daily, on the daily now it gets interesting. You can see that we clearly had a push, and then the market printed out a nice bullish flag pattern, broke out, and we're currently experiencing that push again. If I go down to the H4, I do have some entries already on this. I have about maybe 4 entries. Maybe I can show you right here. So I'm just trailing my stop loss. These entries here are already in. These entries here were scaling, and the stop loss is also here. These entries are above break even, stop loss and profit. So as the market trends, I will be trailing my stop loss below the low. Uh, if the market Monday tomorrow comes out and tries to hit my stop loss, that's fine. I'll still look for other opportunities, but I'm still good. So yeah, I dabbled into German 30. It does agree with my strategy. So from now on, when I'm not trading gold, I'll be doing trades on German 30. I'm still trying to figure it out, and yeah, just I still need to figure out the best time to trade it because it does move London session, it does move US session. Yeah. So let's look at the news. This is next week news. So you can see the whole week we have USD news, we have FOMC, we have non-farm. But in terms of German 30, Euro news, we only have Wednesday all day German CPI. Other than that, this is my view on the markets right now. One final glimpse. We need DXY to come into this order block, and then we need to see some sort of bearish momentum coming in, and we can see the DXY fall. If that happens, we are also expecting gold to slightly fall and change market structure, come into our buy zone here, and then move up. German 30, right now, we just broke out of this D1 time frame bullish flag pattern, and we're currently pushing up quite aggressively. So I'm looking to scale into this position. As the market moves up, I'll be scaling in and trailing my stop loss below the H4 low. I know right now my stop loss is about here, which is not below the H4 low. H4 low is here, but I entered positions here, so I have to trail my stop loss and not have too much risk exposure open. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. Like I said, this channel, this video, hopefully some people get some sort of help from it or some sort of educational help from it. But I'm also just recording my journey. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy, but I just have to be patient and I just have to know that trials and tribulations are going to come. Trading errors are going to happen. I'm not perfect. Losses are going to come. I think I'm really getting better at taking losses. I haven't had a profitable trade this whole January. I'm currently in a profitable trade right now, with German 30. But however, anything can happen. But yeah, I'm still alive. That's the most important thing. Let's keep trading. Let's be patient. Right now, like I said, gold, I'm waiting for the buys. I really want to be within the buys. Currently, these sells and everything that's happening in here is not nice market conditions to be in. If we look at the sentiment for gold, you can see that it's 50-50, which is uh, uh, indecisive. And yeah, I don't want to be involved in this market right now. I'd rather be involved in German 30, which is trending. I noticed that I'm better at buying from what I'm seeing from my past trades. I'm better at buying. I make more profit when I buy. When I sell, I can't really see the sells as much as the buys. So yeah, German 30 is buying and I'm buying with it. Looking to come into this zone here, up here. So we still have maybe a good 2, 3 weeks of movement. I'm looking to swing this for about 2, 3 weeks. And yeah, see what happens. I'll be scaling in as I go. So yeah, I hope everybody's good. I hope everybody has a good trading week. I'm sorry if this video is boring or I don't sound as hyped, but I'm just going through the motions right now. I have to do it. I have to make this video. I have to record. I have to plan. So yeah, I'm not gonna take any trades on gold until it's buying, and I'm in the DXY. I mean, I'm in German 30 right now, buys. So yeah, hope everybody enjoys their week, and let's go. I'll see you guys next week.